Hi guys. Hi Jay. Hi Vikya. Hi everyone. Let it come. Hey, what are you doing in school? You can discuss that, right, Lakshmita, by the time everybody comes. So, what are you doing at school, Akshita, Lakshmita?
We're learning transformation.
Oh, transformations?
Yeah.
Is it easy?
Yeah. It's pretty easy.
Okay.
Yesterday we had a test about transformations and arithmetic sequences.
How did you do?
The scores didn't come out, but I think I did pretty well.
Oh, good. Was it easy? Hey, Jay, how was the test, Jay?
It was okay.
Was okay. Was there some things that you did not understand?
No, it's just like simple mistakes mostly.
Simple. Do you want to go over or I mean, Avyuk, did you take the test?
That the arithmetic test was finished a while ago.
No, ma. Transformations.
Transformations? Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
No, no. Did you take the test? I'm asking.
Yeah, I took the test. Oh, our test? Okay. Yeah.
Our
Yeah.
test. Our test. Yeah. 36, right? Oh, yeah. Average was 26. Good. Nice. Good to see. Uh, oh, that's nice to know. He is not in here. Why is he not in here? Oh my God. Uh, okay. I just wanted to see how everybody did on the transformation. I did look at it to a good extent. Johan, did you have any questions on those transformation thing?
No, I think I was good.
Samanvita, how about you, ma? Samanvita, how did you find? It was not here. Prisha, how was the test, ma?
The one that you gave us?
Yes.
It was good. There was like some questions that didn't have any answer choices.
Oh, can we please check on them?
Okay, wait, can I pull up the test really quick and
Yes,
can I
please. I'm sending it right away. You're all going to see your email. Check what is it.
It was questions 30, like one example was question 35.
Question 35. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, I could share my screen too if that would be
Yeah,
easier.
great. Good. Go ahead.
If
Nice,
it's fine with
Prisha.
you, I
You're showing. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, go ahead. I really
um
like that.
one second. I have to
Yeah, we
pull it
can
up.
go over exactly your own mistakes. Whatever you want, you ask. Don't worry about anybody else.
It was like this one, like they didn't have answers. Like it was just empty. I
Uh,
don't know well if it was on my side or if it was
no.
like
Oh, 35, huh?
and there were other ones. I think I took a screenshot actually. But like here.
Let's release it. 35. Wait a minute. Let's fix
Oh
all that.
yeah.
Right away, I'm checking. 35, huh? 35th
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, 35. I can scroll on.
23. Okay.
So I
20,
just
30.
clicked on the like I just clicked this since I
Uh-huh.
had to answer it, but
Oh, you know what? Did you see that there were no points on that?
oh actually oh okay.
Yeah,
Auntie,
so
there were many questions without answers.
like 35 I saw, and then
And I think it was in the 20s. There were many in
it
the
was in the
20s.
20s. Let me quickly check. Maybe,
does.
yeah, 30 does not have it, and it does not see whichever questions were like that did not have answer. Meaning they carried only 0 points.
Okay.
Let me check because you're saying, right? I want to check. There is, see, the 23, 24 are all text responses, right? Wait.
Mm-mm. They weren't text. Do you
There
want me
are
to stop
multiple
sharing this?
choice.
Yeah. 23, 24, I should have taken the points. Wait a minute. Let me quickly check, ma. Guys, can you quickly let me know what are, okay, let's see. Let's go over from the start. Did you have any questions on any of the questions? I am looking at, and I'm going to re-release your scores. Okay, I'm going to take away the points that did not have. So 23, I'm taking away the points, meaning you don't have to attempt it. 24, you don't have to attempt it. I'm going to take it away. Make sense? 25, I'm going to take it away. I don't know what I did here. Okay. 24, then 25 as well, I took it away. 24, I took it away. 23, I took it away. 23, 24, 25, I took it away. 26 as well, I'm going, 26 is already taken. 27, 28 is all perfect. 30 is already taken out. And then that's it, right?
35 as well.
35, it's already taken out. Next, ma?
Can I go grab my charger?
Yes,
like
please.
in my
Yes,
class.
please. Any questions on that test? Any questions
I
on
had
that
a
test?
question on 37.
37. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to re-release the scores. Okay, not bad at all, guys. It was a good one. 31 was the highest score I'm seeing. I just want to, yeah. Good job, guys. 31 was the highest score. You should know by now. Okay, I just re-release the scores. Okay, now let me share my screen. You can all ask whatever questions you have. You can go back, look at your mistakes and ask, quickly discuss, and then we can move on. What do you want in this? Which question would you like to go over? Guys, this is the time for you to utilize what you want. Do you get it? Can I go over? Do you have any questions? No?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, you can go ahead. Yes, ma.
I'm checking my mail and I don't see the scores yet.
Check again, ma, because I sent it, ma.
Okay.
That weirdo, ending with weirdo is yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Excited weirdo, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it was released at October 30th, 6:52.
Okay, I'll see.
Yeah.
Priya,
Yes.
I got the form, but it doesn't show the right or wrong answers.
I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Responses, individual release scores for all of you. Final scores, re-released. You should see now. All your missed questions. Just check. Check and you can let me know what you want. Quick, guys. I really want you to come up with your questions and then we want to move on. Ashwath, are you in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any questions on this? I just released the test, ma. Whatever
Can
you
you
took
do
on
question
transformation.
6?
What is it, ma?
Question 6.
Question 6 you had a doubt on. Okay.
Yeah, I put D and the answer's A.
Okay, let's see. If there's a mistake, I'll correct it as well. So y will be equal to 4x minus 3, right? Translated right 2 means what happens? Translated right 2 means I have to substitute x minus 2 here, right, guys? Right?
Oh.
So what happens if I substitute x minus 2 there? 4x minus 8 minus 3, right? Oh, you don't need to do that at all. What was the original answer, ma? What is the original answer? A, correct. Do you see it, ma?
Yeah.
Why? It's a horizontal shift
Oh, yeah.
to right means it's not a plus, so it's a minus. It's the opposite,
Okay.
right? So instead of x only, you need to disturb. Horizontal means. Instead of that, you substitute x minus 2. Make sense?
I have a question on 33.
33. Let's go over 32. Please, guys, utilize the time to take one get to know whatever you need. Okay, start with f of x equal to x. Do reflect on y-axis. Okay, I add a negative sign. Down 6, right? And then, oh my God, down 6 and stretch by 2. Okay, so reflection on the y-axis means it adds a minus, right? On the y-axis means it is basically a negation. So let's say first f of x will be equal to, let's say, x. Okay, do reflect on the y-axis means x value gets negated. Make sense? And then down 6, right? And then what? Stretch by 2. Stretch by 2 means what happens? First of all, okay, when the question is posed, right, the order should have been different. The order should not be like this. Okay, now stretch by 2 means it's not clear, right, whether we apply it on the entire thing or only the x. Order should have been stretch, reflect, or reflect, stretch, and then down. Translation should always be the last lemma. So here it's a minus x, minus 6 is very clear. But a stretch by 2 now, whether it is applied fully or on the x. What did you all think?
I
What did
put
you all
B.
You put B. Okay. So what happened?
It said it was A
Good. Why?
because it applied the
Everything,
stretch.
right? That is because, see, the thing is, that is why this is not what to say, commutable, meaning the transformations are not commutable. A plus B equal to B plus A, right? This is commutative property, right? So now, meaning it's not like that, meaning you cannot reverse the order. So whatever is asked in there, we'll do. Reflect y-axis means it became a minus x. And then down 6 means minus 6 was subtracted from the y value. Then stretch by 2 means we get this. What was the answer, ma? Answer was A. A. See, so the answer is minus 2x minus 12. Make sense? Whereas, when will yours be correct? If they had given stretch by 2, reflect on y-axis, and then down 6. If they had given like this, what happened? X, stretch by 2 means 2x, reflection means minus 2x, down by 6 is this. Make sense? What is the difference between this and this? You got it? Stretch by 2 is the last, right? So you have to apply to the whole. Any questions, guys? Any other questions?
I didn't understand 37. Like, I didn't understand the question at all.
37, ma? 37, okay. Oh, wow, yeah. Wait, let's see. Transformation x comma y becomes x plus 3 comma minus y. Okay, image of y equal to mx plus b. Image of y equal to mx plus b. So what happens? X became x plus 3, correct? X became, okay, x plus 3. Let me try, guys. X became x plus 3. It was translated right. It was translated 3 units. Okay, to the right. And then what happened to the y?
You would negate
Y
it.
was negated. That's so hard. Y value was negated. Y was negated. Then in that case, minus mx. Let's see, guys. Minus 3m minus b. That's a difficult one. What is the original answer, Amma?
Y
For me,
equals X.
it seems,
Oh, sorry, you mean what's the right answer? I think it's D.
you think it's D.
Yeah, for this one I guessed because I didn't really know how to solve it.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, but it's a D. The right answer is D.
Don't see it. Let me see. So X was moved X plus 3. X plus 3, okay? The transformation was X plus 3. Now it moves to the left, right? I see. So, okay. How many of you understood this, guys? How many of you understood this? Avyuk, did you understand this one?
No.
No. Okay. Ashruta, did you get this right? Let me see how many of you got it wrong. I want to explain this. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Give me a minute. 37. I want to see how many of you got it wrong. 37. I really want to know the summary. 37. How many of you got it wrong? Let's see, guys. These are the things I wanted to analyze with this transformation. 37. 37. Okay. Oh, 50% got it right. Interesting. 7 of 7 correct responses. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that was one of the least for that matter. For that matter, this was also, see, this one was incorrect. That's what we discussed now. Other than that, what else was bad? Oh, everybody got this 28 right. That's nice. This one also was difficult. Right 4, down 3. Right 4. Right 4 means minus 4. Down 3. Okay, I got it. Okay, let me go ahead and explain the 37. Okay, this was a difficult one. See, when I wrote it down, I wrote actually, see the transformation here is write 3 units. Let me write down y value negated. That's what I understand from here. When I apply to the transformation y equal to mx plus b, write 3 units, what happens? Write 3 units and then negate y. Write 3 units, negate y. Write 3 units, I did. X was substituted with x minus 3 and then y value was negated. So minus x, see, when you write down, I wrote it down as plus before, it should not be. Because x plus 3 is a movement to the right by 3. In transformation, it becomes x minus 3, right? So minus mx plus 3 minus b, yeah? I forgot the answer, guys. I'm a little off.
It's a D.
Is it D? D, now what is that? Is it the same as this? Yeah, so you see. So the thing here is, here you visualize it as 3 units to the right, meaning x turns x plus 3, y minus 3 means down 3. That's what we say, right? In a transformation, translation, that's what we say. But when you apply it in the transformation, right? So if it is going right 3 means what happens? Because it is in x minus h plus k, right? So automatically you will apply a minus 3. This one was a difficult one. They don't give you these hard ones. Any other questions?
Thank you.
100% they won't give you questions like this. It becomes a part of algebra too. You don't have to worry at all. Okay, but it's good to get introduced now. So you
Okay.
have an idea. What else? Hey,
Thank
Avyuk,
you.
did you understand that? Did you understand, Avyuk?
I guess.
You guess. Why? What makes you guess where you're not getting it?
I don't think I understood.
Then please,
I
where is that
I
you didn't get it?
I was only able to understand the negation, but other than that, I didn't understand anything
What
else.
is that you didn't get, Ma? This is the original y equal to mx plus b, right? Apply the
Yeah,
transformations. X becomes 3 units to the right means what happens to x? X
x plus
minus
3. Oh,
3,
okay.
3
Sorry.
units to the right?
Yeah,
And then negate y. Negate y means y value is the entire thing, right? Right? Now negation of that entire thing. You got it?
Then why did it go to 3m minus b?
Because mx minus 3m plus b, right?
Oh, okay, got
Now
it.
the negation when I apply minus mx plus 3m minus b. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Jay, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? Ask, guys. I'm not going to revise transformation anymore. That's why I'm asking. Did you have any other questions? On this one alone, I wanted to make sure. Okay, the transformation, is it always the notation, right? When they give the translation like this, I just want to make sure. I'll make sure. I'll come back to you next class if there is a change. Because transformation X is shifted 3 units to the right, I read it. But when you apply it in transformation, it will be a little different, right? This was a difficult question. So I'll check it out and once reconfirm. Any questions? Roshita, how was the test, ma? I didn't see you, right, taking the test?
Yeah, because I still need more explanation how to do translation because I kind of don't like understand how to do it.
What is that you don't understand? I'm here to help you. I asked to ask you some questions. Bring up your questions.
It's just like overall, because I had to like, what's the equation on how to do it? That's what I'm confused about.
Did you go through the recording?
I was there last class. It's just I
I
just don't.
understand, ma. Did you go through once more the recording and try?
No, I didn't.
Why don't you try once, Amma? I can't go back and reteach. But what is happening at school?
We haven't started translation yet. We're still doing like slope intercept form.
Okay,
And
but in school they don't cover to this level, Amma. They just brush the surface and move on.
okay.
Let's see. But yeah, meaning you have to bring up at least what you don't understand. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to go back fully and read. You understand, Amma Rushita? I would like to help you. But at the same time, then you come up with options like, Auntie, this part really I don't get it. Can we discuss that? So like that, if you can come up with, then it's easy.
Yeah, okay. I'll
So
go
will
through
you
the
come up
videos
next class?
then.
Next, can I go over it with you next class then?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, do you all have a TA84 calculator, guys? Do you all have a TA84 calculator? Did we discuss inequalities? No, right? Let's see. Okay, how about this, guys? I did not give you much on let's see. How about this? In the range, compare the initial value and the range of each of the linear function. Let's see. Okay. These questions I have not given you yet, but let's see where we are. Ashwath, what was difficult for you in transformations? Ashwath,
Yeah.
what was difficult for you in transformation?
I didn't feel anything that difficult for me.
Okay. Let's see. Domain of a function. Let's go ahead and try out some of the problems in here. Domain of a function is 0 less than x is less than or equal to 4. F of x is defined by the rule minus 3x plus 15. Okay. Table shows some ordered g of x function is a table. 0, 23, 119, 215, 3, 11, 4, 7. This is x, this is g of x. Guys, I want you to think. Okay. Here. What do we want to do? Initial value and the range for both. So we want to know initial value, range, both for both the functions. This is what we need to find out. Okay. Now, what is the least input for f of x and g of x? Please, I want each of you to answer one. What is the initial input? Initial value means the lowest x value for f of x and g of x. Come on, guys.
Auntie, I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay, who understands? Some of you. Whoever understands. What is the initial value means? Lowest x value for f of x. Lowest x value for g of x. They have given that
23.
0.3. Which one?
23. Because when x equals 0, g of x equals 23.
Nice. But what did they ask? Find the initial value.
Would it be 4 of 7? Because
Correct. 23 is correct. For one minute. Amma. J correct. For g of x, the initial value of the function is 23 because 0 was the lowest value and that has 23. Nice. So lowest input, initial input. Okay. Initial input is 0. Initial output is this. Yes, ma. Go ahead. What was that, ma? Please go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I just wanted to see if 4 of 7 was the right answer, but never mind.
4 and? Oh, 4 and 7 is the highest, ma. This is the initial value, correct,
Because
ma?
I thought you were asking for the y. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm asking for, see, initial value of g of x is 23.
Mm-hmm.
The y value only. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Similarly, for f of x, what? Initial input value is what? What is the initial input value? 0. What is the initial output value? Substitute and find out, guys. Substitute input equal to 0. What is the initial output value?
15.
15. So when they ask you for the initial value, they're asking for the y value. Got it? Got it? One second. And then the next one is initial input value, initial output value. And then what did I ask you? Range. What is the range, guys? Who's going to tell me the range? Range means possible output values, right? So what do we do for that? Anybody can rise up. We know the possible input values, right? 0 to 4, right? So
Lowest
how to find?
and is it the greatest subtracted by the lowest?
Go ahead, ma.
The greatest subtracted by the lowest.
I didn't get it. What is that, Prince?
Is it the greatest subtracted by the lowest?
Yeah, greatest subtracted by the lowest less. See, this is the possible x values. This tells about the domain. For the range, you'll have to substitute that x value into your y value equation and then tell the lowest and the highest. Did you get it? Meaning, domain is all possible x values, right, ma? Range is all possible y values. Okay. Now they have given the domain. The possible x values are, it can range from 0 to 4 is your x values for this function. Then what will be the all possible y values? Substitute 0 into this equation, you get 15, right? And then substitute 4 into this equation, what do you get? Minus 12 plus 15, which is 3. 3 is lower, so it goes from 3 to 15. Does that make sense, guys? Hey, I'm not getting yes, no. Dhruv, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Bharat, did you get it?
Yeah.
Nidhi, did you understand?
Yeah.
Prisha, how about you? Prisha, Akshita, how about you?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now can you tell me what is the range for g of x? What is the range for g of x?
23 and 7.
Yeah, so you should always start from the lowest, go to the highest. 7 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 23. Make sense?
Yes.
Saman, did you get it?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. How about this? Okay. Okay. We can buy apples, okay, at a market up to 10 pounds at a time. That's what you can buy, up to 10 pounds at a time. Okay, each pound, right? Each pound will be equal to $1.10. Now, A of W represents, guys, please reread, understand what is asked, and then we'll discuss. Represents cost of buying W pounds of apple. Cost of buying W apples. Okay, guys, in this context, which is the X value, which is the Y value? Tell me that first. Which is X value, which is Y value?
Pounds is X value and the money is the Y value.
Correct. A of W is the Y value, which is the money. The whatever is inside the bracket is your independent variable, which is the X value, which is W is what? The pounds. Okay. Now, from there, right? Let's go ahead. Okay. P of W, okay, shows cost in dollars. Understand, these are different functions. Functions you should be very comfortable with, okay, of buying W pounds of pears. This is pounds of apples, pounds of pears, pounds of pears. Okay, now I will draw the graph for you. Here it is. I don't know what is this. Something like from 1, 0, 0 is a point, and then I see 10, 14. Okay, I have 10, 14 is a point. That's what I see. Okay, this one is weight in LB. Weight in LB? Yeah, weight in pounds, cost in dollars. Okay, guys, I really want you to tell me what I'll ask you. I want domain, range, slope, and y-intercept. Domain, range, slope, y-intercept. Okay, let's go. This is a huge problem, I feel. Now, first, let's go with the apples. We have to write an equation for the function a of w. Vikyat, can you help us?
I can.
Can you help us, Vikyat, on that?
So what was the first thing?
I want to write an equation for a of w.
Equation for A of W?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to find an equation for A of W, you're gonna have to plot the points first.
You want to plot the points? Okay, I'll go with you. Go ahead. What are the points?
It's so if we're going up by 1, so that means 1 pound would be $1.1.
Good.
And then so you have to keep going. So 2 pounds would be
2.2.
20.
W
3 pounds would be 3 330, and then like etc. Like 4 pounds would be 440.
W pounds would be?
W pounds would be how much would W pounds be?
What is it?
How much would W pounds be?
You tell me. Think and tell. No problem if you make mistakes. Nidhi, do you want to help us out? We are thinking.
Would it be like 550? Would it be 550?
Why 550? 1 means 1.1 times 1. 2 means 1.1 times 2. 3 means 1.1 times 3. W means?
That's where I'm confused.
See, think about this. You are buying 1 pound. Each pound is 1.1. So you multiply 1.1 and 1. You're buying 2 pounds. You're multiplying 1.1 and 2.
2.
You're buying 3 pounds. You'll multiply 1.1 and 3. For W pounds?
You'd multiply 1.1 and W.
Ah. So what is the equation now?
It's AW
Yep.
equals 1.1 W.
This is our equation. What is the domain of this? We wrote the equation. What is the domain now? Domain means all possible independent values. What are the possible values of W?
1 through 10.
Good job. Nice. So I will say its value can range from why 1, Amma? Can it not be 0? Can it not be 0? 0,
It can.
0.
It
Right?
can.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
so
can.
0 through 10.
0 is less than x. Smallest value, highest value. Please write it down clearly. In between domain means in between is x. You got it? Domain is correct. Now how to write out the range? Who is going to help me with this? Prisha, you want to try, or Dhruv, you want to try, or Kavin?
The range would
Huh.
be 0 is
You plug in this value. You plug in
so
this value in W. 0 is less
the
than
first
y.
value is 0, and then over there it says 10, right?
Mm.
Yeah, okay. And then so it would be 0 and then 14, since that's the highest value you can go to.
Why 14, ma?
Because when you plug in 10, it, like, I'm looking at the graph as well, but like
Hey, graph is for pairs. P of W.
Is it 11?
11, correct. This is just an equation, ma, Prisha. For apple, it's just an equation we are
I
describing.
realized it didn't match like after a few seconds.
No problem. Range. What is the slope? How do we find the slope? What is the slope, guys?
It's 1.1.
Yes, it's 1.1. Good job. What is the y-intercept?
0.
0, 0. Good job. Because 0, 0, that's the y-intercept. Got it? Now let me go to the next problem. Pairs. Right? Let me go here and solve that problem. How to solve that problem? I'm going to write out. What is the equation for pairs? Who's going to tell me? Arush, can you tell me, or Ashrita, can you tell me? Who can tell me the equation for pairs? Guys, I want one of you to say.
Wait, is pears the same cost per pound as apples? Doesn't say.
No, they said pairs, everything is given in the graph, they said. The graph gives every detail. So how to find the equation of the line? See, now you're applying what you learned all these days. Who can guide me? Please, one of you.
Wait, is it 1 times 10 by 14 W?
What is it, ma? 1 time?
10 by 14 W.
Wow. Why do you say that? Good job. Why do you say that?
Because because I know 10 by 14 would be how you can find 1 LB. And
Is it 10 by 14 or 14 by 10, lady? $14 by 10 or 10 by 14? You have to be very careful.
Oh, it's 14 by 10.
Any line equation, you'll represent it as y equal to mx plus b, right? For that, you need slope and intercept. Intercept is 0, right? Y equal to mx is your equation. But how do you find the slope? You have 2 points that pass through the line, right? Slope is 14 minus 0 divided by 10 minus 0, which is 14 by 10 or 7 by 5. So y will be equal to 7 by 5. X is your equation. From here, can you tell me the domain? Who can tell me the domain? Domain is very easy. They've given the first and last points. 0
through 14.
0 through 14. Domain.
0
Oh,
10.
10, yeah.
0 through 10. First value, last value. But in between will be
X.
X. That is the domain. What is the range? Who can tell me?
0 through 14.
Good. 0 through 14. How did I get it? Can you explain?
Since if you insert 0 to the equation, it would equal 0, and then the equation would make it 0, and then after that for 14, the highest the x value is 10. So
Nice.
if you insert that, then it would be 14.
Very, very nice explanation, Johan. Good job. Okay, nice. Very nice. And then what is the slope? Who can tell me the slope? Dhruv, you want to help us, or Rishita, you want to help us, or Varad? What is the slope and y-intercept?
7 over 5.
Slope is 7 by 5. Good job. Y-intercept?
The y-intercept
Zero.
is
Zero.
Nice, guys. 0, 0. So, be it any contextual situation, right? Meaning, if you're given a contextual situation which can be put into a line form, right? You should be able to understand what is domain based on the context. The context tells you what is the minimum value, maximum value for input and output. Okay, that's what is the target for this one. Okay, let's see. See, now you're able to read a practical problem, put it into your mathematical form, then write out what possible x values, what possible y values, what is the slope, what is the intercept. If they give you 2 points on a line, that is your key. It gives you the slope, it gives you 2 values, literally 2 values. So with that, you can do anything. I think we are good with this, but I can give you one more. Practical scenarios are a teeny bit hard. I don't know, guys. Let's see. How about this? Okay. A ladybug travels for 6 minutes. You're going to tell this, okay? Travels for 6 minutes at the rate of 9 meters per minute. Okay. G of t represents distance traveled by the ladybug in t minutes. Okay. Now what do I want to do? Here is the graph for the situation. Let me put the graph. 8 comma, what is that? 8 comma 300. 8 comma 300 is the point. Kavin, are you getting it? Kavin, I didn't ask you because you just logged in late.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh, okay,
Making
good.
a little bit of sense.
Okay, nice. Time in minutes. This is distance. Okay, we are talking about ladybug, right? M of t. There are two functions. M of t tells you the distance in meters. The distance in meters. Okay, let me write it down properly. Distance in meters that a snake travels in T minutes. Yes, sir. Tell me.
Is it 350 or 300?
Oh, good question. My handwriting says it's 350. It's okay. Actually, it is 300. I did say 300, but I wrote out 350. But I wanted to give you 300. Thanks for the catch. Can we move on? Yeah. So now I told you a ladybug travels 6 minutes at a constant rate of 19 or 9. Oh my God, my eyes. 19 meters per minute. Okay. Now, G of t gives the distance traveled by the ladybug in t minutes. Now, considering M of t is the distance in meters that a snake travels in t minutes, and the graph is given by this. I want you to write what? Equation for M of t, G of t. You can send it to me in chat. This one is like a test, right? And then you can write the domain of both range of both, slope of both, y-intercept of both. So it's a detailed test of linear functions. Go ahead. 2 functions, you have to do everything. If you don't understand, you have to say don't understand.
So is the graph for the snake or is it for the ladybug?
Why are you all getting confused? Ladybug travels for 6 minutes.
Okay, sorry. I just got confused because I saw M of T and I wrote it down wrong. I
No.
wrote ladybug in my
But you
notebook.
get it now?
Then I realized.
How it
Okay,
grew?
thank you.
Did you go ahead.
Miss Priya, in the graph, it starts at 0, right?
Yes, ma. It starts at 0. Thanks for asking. Are you all going for trick or treating tomorrow?
No.
No? Okay. Are some of you going? No, I just want to understand. I want to decide whether I have to cancel the classes or not. So I'm asking you.
I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm going.
I'm going.
Oh,
I'm
good to know. See, I'm just asking you to just make a decision for the other classes. On tomorrow, I do have the class, but I don't know. Yeah. So most of you are going, looks like. Okay. Go ahead. Guys, if you're stuck, right, this is the time to ask, please.
Can I write the which symbol do you want us to use? Do you mind if we use like the greater than do we have to do
Ma, greater than equal to, you type it out as this, ma'am. Greater than equal to.
Oh, okay, thank you. I didn't know that.
Yeah, when you send it, you always, there is no way to write it, right? I mean, there are ways. If you use shortcuts, you don't have to. Got it? Try. Tell me, guys.
We must be swift as coursing river.
You can send the answer, ma. This is like a small, quick test for me. You see, did you understand? You didn't understand, then we have to go and redo. That's it. Okay, Johan, it's not based on y and x, right? Just be careful, Johan. I know that you understood, and that's great, okay?
Oh, I see what I did.
Yeah. So you need to have it in terms of the variables that they have given. You cannot just like that change to y and x as well. When
Sorry.
you say no problem, I'm just telling for you all to follow. That's all. See, x is the t, okay? Y is the g of t or m of t. 75 by 2. What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Correct. Yes, Prisha. Rushita, t is your independent variable, ma. So will you write the equation? Where from you got G?
Oh, wait, I meant to say T. Yeah.
T. Understand, guys, your equation, any equation, linear equation you write can contain only y and x values. In this case, the x is replaced by a t, y is replaced by g of t. That means function of t. Function of t is the g. G is the name of the function and it is dependent on time t. Makes sense? That is the way. So the only two letters that are allowed in your equation is G or T. In this case, it is M or T. M of T is your y value. T is your x. Again, the same thing, Rushita. You corrected it, lady. Good job. No, do you understand why you're doing this, Rushita?
Yeah, I understand.
Good. Lakshmita, again. M of T, how can it contain x in it? But you understood everything I'm saying. Lakshmita, did you understand when writing the equation?
Yeah, I understood.
Oh, yeah, got it. Akshita, you got it. 19 by 6. From where did you get that 19 by 6, lady? Akshita.
It was in the problem, the word problem.
19 by 6. 19 meters per minute, right? Why did you divide this?
Oh, okay.
You got it? Simply they have given extra information. You
Yeah.
don't have to use it. But it travels for 6 minutes means that information is used to understand what are the possible values of x, lowest and highest. Akshita, did you get that?
Yeah, I changed it.
No, you don't. Yeah, as long as you understand, it's enough. Lakshmita, you got it. Prisha, correct. Prisha, my only request is don't change to y and x erratically.
Oh, do you want me to write like G and
No,
T?
I don't want you to change it, but as long as you understand and apply next time, it's enough.
I mean, like next time we do this, you want me to write G and T for the like range and okay, yeah, thank you.
Is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 6. Slope is 9. Slope is 9, 19. Oh, you considered this as 9. Okay. Vikyat, good job. Ashrita, what is the question? What is the question you have, Ashrita?
I just got confused with finding the slope for that part.
Samanvi, finding the slope. Okay. Okay, Samanvi. Samanvi, this is not a discrete function. Range, you cannot write it like this. Okay. I see the problems. Let's see. I'm going to explain this. See, guys, the ladybug is traveling 19 minutes per minute means if I draw the graph, right, the minute will keep going. This is 19. Okay. 2 means, what is that? 2 means 38, right? The thing what you need to understand is between the 1 and 2 second, right, it's still traveling. It is a continuous function.
So
Okay.
is the range 0 to 14?
See,
114?
sorry, my interpret. Go ahead.
0 to 114?
Yeah, so you need to write the distance travel, meaning, so first of all, t values, it can range from 0 to 6, but this is the x values. You should not write x, you should write it as t, right? Then when you come to your y values, you should say g of t, right? G of t, what is the lowest and the highest value? Substitute 0 into our equation. What is our equation? 19 is your slope. 19 meter, constant rate of 19 meter per minute means g of t will be equal to 19t, right? This is mx plus b. The y-intercept is 0, but your slope is 19, right? So what is the range? Substitute 0 in here, you get a 0. Substitute 6 in there, what do you get? 104, 19 times 6. Jay, did you get it? 124.
Yeah.
124, No, 114. Oh my God, what mistake I'm doing. 114. 19 times 6 is what, Amma? 5, 6, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 114.
Miss
Got-
Priya says
yeah.
the domain from 0 to 300.
For which one? This one?
Yeah, is it from 0
This
to
one,
300?
domain is 0 to 8. Range is the possible y values. 0 to See, the lowest value of x is 0, the highest value of x is 8. So you
that
write
makes
it
sense.
right like this. This is the
Okay.
domain. Range is from 0 to 300. Make sense?
Okay.
We really want to understand things and then go. Oh, Jay, nice Jay. I'm so happy to see. Good. Okay, Samanvi, did you understand? You should not write. See, what you should not do is the range cannot be written like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the curly braces. That means only 0 is the value, only 1 is the value. No, right? Here, the value can also be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Samanvi, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, can I move on? Ashwath, are you able to get a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, can I move on, guys? I really want to move on to the next one, though. Okay. Regression. Parallel. Did we discuss parallel perpendicular lines, guys?
I think so.
Yes,
Okay.
we did.
We
How
did.
about, okay. How about we write, yeah. Okay, so maybe I won't have time, but I really want you to understand certain things. Okay. I did not cover 7.2, but I'll do it next week. But instead, I will take up a small topic. Did you guys understand how to apply functions, domain, range, slope nicely? Given a context, given some scenario, you should be able to match into a linear model. Will you be able to do that? Is the advantage of algebra 1. It will help you with PSAT 8, 9. Did you guys get it? If you have any questions, you have to ask. Okay, for this week, I'm going to give you some homework pages in the book, as well as, if possible, I'll give you a test. Okay, test is a lot of work for me every week, I'm saying, but it's okay. I'll do it provided you guys do as well. If you stop doing, I'll stop the test completely. Okay, what we really want is you have to show a difference. Okay, you should show that you understand the concepts, and you should show that in your grades and your standardized tests. That really makes me happy. Let's see. I don't know how to do for a snake. Oh my God, you don't know how to do for a snake. Arush, you can shout out, Arush. If I don't see the chat, you have to shout, right?
Oh, my bad, Miss Priya.
No problem. For the he says he wants for the snake. Distance in meter that a snake travels in T minutes. How do you write out for the snake? There are 2 points on the line, right, Arush?
Yeah.
That is your treasure, right? If you get 2 points on a line, what you can find? You can
Slope.
find the slope easily. So the formula is always y equal to mx plus b, right? You can find the slope. What is the slope? You tell me. What is the slope here? Arush, what is the slope? It's okay to go wrong.
300. 300 over 8, I think.
Correct. 300 over 8. Ashwath, I'll come to you. 300 over 8 can be written as what? 150 by 4, 75 by 2, right? So 75 by 2x, y equal to 75 by 2x. But what mistake I'm doing? I'm inventing new variables, y and x. But what is given?
M and
Instead of
T.
y, I have to use m of t.
M of T. And
75 by 2, instead of the x, I have to use the t value on the x. You got it? This is the equation. Now, when you look at it itself, what is the lowest x value? 0 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to
8.
8. So that's the
Same
domain or
for
range?
Yeah.
Domain. What is the range?
Domain. 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 300.
Nice. But domain means it's the y value, right, ma?
Yeah, so m of t.
Yeah. Correct. This should be t, this should be m of t. Correct? And then what? Y-intercept is 0, 0. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Now, I really want to go over one little bit, okay? In the sense, this is such an easy concept, okay? If possible, I'll push it into today itself. How about this, guys? If I ask you to draw this line, minus half plus y is less than or equal to 6x. Inequalities will become very easy if you understand some basics about it. I cannot draw an inequality with everything spilled everywhere. You see, everything is across everywhere. My only way of drawing this inequality, this is a line basically, okay? I want to write the equation of a line. Equation of the line, please remember you should bring it to the form y. Y should be on one side. The rest of it should be on the other side. Here, what should I do to make y alone stand on one side? What should I do?
Add 1/2.
Yeah, add 1/2. Nice. Add 1/2. Add 1/2. So it becomes y less than or equal to 6x plus half. So if you get this right, that's all, guys. Meaning, don't worry about this. Inequality will have these symbols. Equations will have equal to sign. But how to plot it? Let's plot this line. You know, right? How to plot the line y equal to 6x plus half. How to plot this line? Anybody? Anybody? You can have multiple ways. One of you tell me. How will you plot?
You would put the y-intercept on first, like 1/2.
Yeah. So okay, 0, half, right? 0, half. Okay, and then you want one point is there. Another point you need to plot the line. What is the other point? You can substitute any value and tell me one more point as well.
1.
1. 1. Okay, you want to put 1. Okay, I'll put 1. 1 equal to 6.5. 1 is 6.5. 6.5 is here. 1 is 6.5. So this is my line, guys. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, but they're not asking me to find the line. Yes, I drew the line, but that's for an equation. They want me to plot the inequality now. For this, what you do? See, this line represents the right side. The line represents the right side. They are asking us to find out which region. Y. Look at the y axis. Look at the y axis. Now, they're asking, hey, color all the y values that is less than or equal to the line. So what should I color? What should I color? Look at the y-axis. Color all the y. Whichever y comes is less than or equal to the line. That means bottom I'll color, top I'll color. Which one I'll color? Look at the y-axis. On the y-axis, which y values are less than or equal to the line?
The bottom.
The bottom. The y values that are less than or equal to the line are that piece. So I start coloring here. You get it? Less than or equal to the line, I start coloring. Make sense, guys? Now the thing is, there is an equal to sign, right? Because of the equal to sign, this is a thick line. Meaning, take any point on that line. Now you told me, right? 0, half. See, substitute that into this equation. 0, half was a point on the line, right? So substitute now 0, half will be half, right? Basically, if I substitute 0, y value will be equal to half. That half, is it less than or equal to half? Yes, it is equal to half. So the points on the line also obey this inequality. So it will be a thick line you draw. Whereas if I give you y is less than 6x plus half, there is no equal to. That means the points on the line do not obey the rule. So what will I do? If I draw the graph like this, right? If I draw the graph like this, and if you're given, if I draw the line, first I need to draw the line. When I draw the line itself, I'll have to make one change. There is no equal to sign. So the points on the line are not covered. So when I draw the line, I will draw it with a dashed line. Because the points on the line do not work the given inequality. The points on the line do not work on the given inequality because there's no equal to. So here, which one will I color? Y is less than means which one will I color? This is my line. Remember that. Just look at the y-axis. Nothing else you should look. Just look at the y-axis. All y values less than the line. So where should I color?
The bottom.
Bottom. This is one area where everybody will get messed up. But please understand, bring it to the form, this form. Right side is your line. Look at your inequality, color accordingly. Less than or equal to comes means the line is a thickened line indicating every point on the line also obeys the inequality. If there is no equal to, then that means the line has to be a dashed line indicating that if you take a point on the line, it will not obey this inequality. But if you take any point in this region, right? Let's say any point in this region means, can I take 0, 0? 0, 0 is here, right? Yes, it is inside the shaded line. So substitute 0, substitute 0. Let me see. 0 is less than half. See, the inequality works perfectly. So I can say 0, half obeys the inequality, is a solution to this inequality. Whatever points obey the inequality are solutions to the inequality. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Any questions? Maybe one more easy one. How is this? How is this? It's all with this we'll stop. Okay. How about this? Minus x minus 7y is greater than or equal to 0. Please, it's like a discussion. I won't give you problems. I'll continue this next week. But can you tell me what to do?
Turn this into slope intercept.
Yep. So what do you do?
Plus
What do you
X.
say?
Add
Yeah.
7y.
You want to add 7y, ma?
Add x
Add
on both
X.
sides.
Add x on both sides. Okay.
And then divide by
Minus
7.
7y
Oh
is
wait,
greater
yeah,
No,
we have
divide by
to isolate y.
That's okay. Now what to do?
divide by negative.
-7.
Yeah. So then what happens?
Y equals and y is greater than or equal to x divided by negative 7.
You have to flip the sign too.
Flip this in. Don't
Flip the
forget,
sign.
guys, inequality. Don't forget, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, you should flip the sign. You got it? Okay. Now, let me graph this. Graphing this will be something like this. Okay. Should it be a thick line or a dotted line? Should it be a thick line or a dotted line?
Thick line.
Thick line.
Thick line. Why? Because of the equal to sign. That means all the points on that line will obey the inequality, and you can say, you can find any point on the line and say, hey, this is a solution to this inequality, you can say. Okay, having said that, where will we color? Where will we color?
Along.
A region or B region?
A.
What do you all think? Look only at the y-axis. That is the best part. Look only at the y-axis. All the y values, what does the inequality say? All the y values that are less than the line. So which region should I color?
A.
A. Got it, guys? So if you understand inequality, it's the easiest topic. If you don't understand, it will make you suffer. Okay. So A. Now they will ask, hey, is the coordinate point -4, 0 a solution to this inequality?
No.
It comes here in this region. Yes, it is a solution. Other way of finding is substitute -4 here, 0 to y. So 4 minus 0, is it greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So that is a solution to the inequality. Makes sense, guys? Rushita, did you get it?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, for transformation, you're going to check and come back, ma. Let me know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Any questions, stay? Otherwise, we can log off. I took more of your time today, I know. Go ahead, guys. If you have any questions, stay. Otherwise, you can log off.
Miss
Promise,
Priya.
Priya.
Hi, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
do we have geometry tomorrow?
Yo, I have to cancel the class. See, did you see the voting?
No, I just know like my mom voted that I can't do tomorrow.
Yeah, so I'm going to cancel the class. There are 12 people who are going for trick or treating. There are one person who is not going. And in the other class, there are 9 people who are going and 1 person not going. So I have to cancel the class. And in a way,
Okay.
I'm very happy that I can also go for trick or treating with my
Wait,
daughter.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, so we are not going to have.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So at school we learn like a different version, like you plug in like the origin, and if the origin